Can you see someone's private friend list on the Facebook app? In this tutorial, we're going to find out if you're able to do so. For that, you just have to head over to your profile Facebook here. And then once you land on your profile, simply tap on the profile option at the top right and then head over to your profile. Now scroll down until you find your friends. Now tap on any of your friends whom you want to see the friend list of and then scroll down here and there you should be able to find the friends option. So what usually happens is if someone's friend list is private, then you won't be able to view it whether you are their mutual friend or not. Then if they have hidden the private friend list, you won't be able to see it. This is because of Facebook's privacy reasons. So you could do the same by go ahead and tapping on the gear icon. Scroll down here until you find the privacy settings. And here on audience and visibility, you can see your how people can contact you option. Now, who can see your friend list, you can do this to only me to make it private, or if you want to show it to only your friends, you can keep friends, or if you set this to public, anyone on or off Facebook can see your friend list. And that's how you can change your settings too. So as of now, there is no active way to see the private friend list of your friends. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.